Impression tracking. Before switching impression tracking option on, check if your traffic source supports impression pixel tracking. Traffic sources supporting it should have an additional option within the campaign settings to place an impression pixel on their end. Go to the Traffic Sources tab, create a new traffic source by clicking New Traffic Source, or edit an existing one. Within the traffic source configuration window, activate impression tracking by turning on the impression tracking toggle. Save the changes. Once enabled, you need to enter the Campaign tab to activate impression tracking in your Volume campaigns. Edit your campaign or create a new one by clicking the New Campaign button. From the Traffic Source drop-down menu, select the traffic source entity where you have activated the impression tracking option. Once the campaign creation has been completed, click the Save button. The campaign URL and impression pixel URL will now be generated. To properly track impressions, copy both and paste them to the traffic source. To see impressions data in your reports, add the Impressions column to your campaigns view. Click Apply. The Impressions column will show up next to the Visits column. Thank you for watching.